My dear friends, today I will demonstrate you how to perform cataract surgery in posterior polar or subcapsular cataract. First most important thing is prior to starting the surgery, always keep one extra IOL of same power of 3-piece lens in spare. And second one is do the small axis. And one most important point everybody must be keep in their mind while attempting such surgery, always do the hydrodelineation. Don't do hydrodissection. After making the small axis, now I am making main port and then doing the hydrodelineation. See, classical golden ring is now rotate the nucleus. It is very soft and after attempting 2 or 3 times, it is not rotated. I decided to start the surgery. First, I emulsified some superficial cortex and then make a small trench. Then, since it is very soft, that's why it is not moving freely. I decided to debulk the corticonuclear component. I am emulsifying as much as possible cortex. Then I will do hydro visco dissection. How I am injecting the BSS from the rhexis margin, and now I am dissecting the cortex from the posterior capsule with the help of HPMC. Now bring the soft nuclear mass in the AC and then emulsify it without using phaco energy. After emulsifying, remove the cortex with the help of 26 gauge with the help of 23 gauge Cinco cannula. You can use coaxial as well as bimanual cannula. I am separating this seat from the capsule. Since the rhexis size is very small, therefore it is taking some time. Now remove the subincisional cortex from right side port. Like this. And the remaining cortex can be removed from the main port. After removing the cortex, you can implant the intraocular lens as per choice. Thus, the important point is, don't attempt hydrodissection. Always keep one lens extra. Thank you very much.